We are passionate. We are driven. We are Emerson. Emerson's Pressure Management, the answers for all your pressure control and safety needs. Welcome to Emerson's Pressure Management Order Fulfillment and Quick Ship Center, strategically located in Singapore, where we design, fabricate, and commission natural gas skids, regulators, and pressure safety valves. A brand trusted by major oil and gas players, we provide world-class products and solutions with comprehensive support and most restricted sourcing requirements. The facility is ASME certified and has ISO IEC 17025:2017 accredited laboratory to manufacture and test various pressure relief valves, which enables us to produce precise and accurate test data to our customers. Advanced testing algorithms are used to identify and eliminate product parts that do not meet customers' requirements, improving asset reliability and optimizing process capabilities. Leading in a fast-moving world, our Quick Ship and Order Fulfillment service ensures flexible and timely product delivery, enabling highly dependable and responsive services that accommodate to change orders, minimize downtime, and improve project ROI. Adapting to new technologies and products always poses a challenge. Emerson's order engineering consists of a team of experts, helps clients to customize products in meeting the specifications of the oil and gas industry in Singapore. Training at Emerson offers opportunity to experience a wide range of products in dedicated service and manufacturing environment. We built the Center of Excellence to provide organization-specific, customized workshops, ensuring a comprehensive and hands-on learning experience. Powered by RealWare technology, virtual training is made possible. Emerson's Virtual Training School delivers real-time, value-based instructor-led training to customers anywhere in the world. Through these courseworks, trainees will be equipped with enhanced knowledge and skills required to solve real-world problems. Operate safely, improve reliability, optimize plant performance. Emerson has the complete solution. Visit the Emerson Experience Center to learn more about the latest offerings. Emerson, your complete pressure management solutions partner, providing support at every stage of your plant's life cycle.